Yeah. I just didn't want to show this to anybody, but that's my xylophone mansion. I know people have been talking about it so much. This is my rooftop. This is where I want to be, like, you know. I got my stuff here, like, you know, I'm going to do all the things here. I just paid and, you know, get the xylophone. Number one. God bless you, Rolf. Follow me. Xylophone. Stone is the biggest. That has to work. That's the whole one. The day I come back, I'm going to this set. So yeah, it's like my office area, my personal area, where I like to chill, you know, boy, you know, all my some secret meetings and stuff. And one of my rooms here, yeah, I think this will be my justice room. The rooms are cute, you know. I like the way, you know, xylophone to the rooms is big. You know why I call this house ship mansion? You ship house. Come watch that. This is my bathroom. Make me watch my bathroom. Right now, this is my jacuzzi and shit. You know, my lights and the press up. Hey, what is it? Call me the landlord or the caretaker. You should come and see it. Yeah, man. So that's my closet. Yeah. The house is built, I'm nice. You understand me? So this is where I hang my suits, my shorts, you know, my watches, yeah, my stuff. Right now, my shutter movement, they don't really steal my things again. My shutter movement, they steal my shutter. So that's my bedroom. Good bedroom. Nice place. Nice environment. That's a very good place. Like it's sweet. It's sweet. It's so nice. I think my landlord and people, they come on. Yeah, so
this place look like a building.
This place clear, you know? Yeah. And that's my rooftop. I love it come out like this. And watch stuff.
Titanic ship.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, man.
If I show you the front of this whole house, you see a ship house. Yeah. Ship mansion. Watch out. And xylophone. Anybody who don't sign up to xylophone cash, make sure say you for sign up. But you know, xylophone cash, go to make you get a whole lot. Hi, mommy. I'm coming downstairs. I got my interior decorator here right now. It's about to fuck up my house. I'm a very cool. Yeah, you know, bring to the top. So you see like my stairs. I like the care. The care make like hit test, they climb up and they go forward. Oh yeah, we're going come. Let me show you something. That's my other. Nice. You know, I got my toilet right here. I got my bathroom over here. I like the spotlight. Spotlight the king. Spotlight. I like light. You know what I mean? That's the closet. Yeah. Shut down movement. Work hard, rough. You know this, you understand? And I'm the first Ghana artist way they do this for online. You know? And make people to watch out for my other house too. We will go there, I will go to my other house. I have 2 mansions now in East Legon. There's a record for life.
Nobody.
No artist ever in Ghana has done this. Don't get pissed, work hard. I'm a very cool. So that's my other mini rooftop.
Wow. That's wicked. Wicked.
You know? So when I'm here like this, you just watch the whole party and you know the whole, you know. I grab like my artist friends, you know, I grab like Sarkodia, you know, 2Bs, you know, I grab like my xylophone people, you know, Kumi Guitar, Becca, Joyce Blessing, you know, we are gonna be here like, you know, talking music, you know, music business, you know. And that's how the whole thing is, you know. Work hard, like I say, xylophone, nyame. Hey, xylophone, nyame, I'm not here, you go kill man. You see, make I tell you something, for the whole Ghana, producers come, they go, producers say, no producer ever do what an apia do, you understand me? No producer ever do what, xylophone they do. And that's why I tell everybody, make you follow. See, don't think of what people they talk. Say xylophone, this xylophone. See, if you go invest, let's go. Make what? Yeah, invest. If you have to.
Ghana version of Ghana version of xylophone.
That's a line of crazy. Just try and see if it's a little bit. I know it's that's my daddy. I was asking him how he used to find this house and was like, one person I know. Yeah, see, what's it? You can give you a proposal. Okay.
So the first thing that, even if you want to do just a bedroom, downstairs campus, it should be in. Because it's closed.
We need to cover up first.
Okay.
Normally what we do is we give you a full proposal, but if you're not ready, we can just do the curtains and everything just to cover up.
Okay.
Then, depending on how you want it, whether we do the bedroom first or you want the whole house.
I mean, but the curtains, what kind of question I tell you I don't have any.
It's okay, I know what to do, but you should just know whether you're a contemporary person or an antique person.
I like antique stuff too, but I feel the modern stuff should be more. But I like it myself.
A few antique pieces.
Yeah.
But
The antique should be more. I want it to look like.
the antique should be more than the contemporary.
Yeah.
Perfect, then you're good to
Do
go.
something. Too sweet. Right. Hey.
Okay.
I love you. Luxury effect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dubai effect.
So I think I'll take a number.
Okay.
I'll then give you my
So we actually have the curtain down and we're going to check them. So I'll leave it here to take the measurements of everywhere. Then we're ready to go. Then do you want to start with the bedroom or you want to see the proposal of the whole place?
I'm going to go to the
First. See if you can.
You should tell what the budget you have in mind.
So this is an let's really, okay, you know what you're going to do? Give me a budget for
Okay.
maybe my bedroom,
Okay.
and the other,
Just your bedroom. Okay.
and the hall.
And then living area. Right? Right, so the thing says, so let's do your bedroom. And then I have to set up bedrooms. I will maybe give you different.
No, yeah, give me a good
She comes from. I think I have my eyes.
That's all.
On your way back.
Then you guys send it like on my way.
On your left.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
And just before, up is up, before the junction.
Before the main junction is on the left. There's a big so you come on Excuse me, 1 second.
You say the building live.
Why don't you use one of the rooms?
No, but you know, like my other house has system.
Okay.
I have like studio, set up already. So, honestly, this one here, like place that people come and sit around watching TV.
It depends on how you do this entertainment. Because if you need to use this place, this is 336. This is 7 seater.
Okay.
There are only 7 people there.
Okay.
So I was just thinking of doing another extra sitting area.
Okay.
But we can just do, okay, what we can do is, what do you carry, your stuff? What do you want to put in here?
Nothing, I'm not bringing anything, right?
No, your stuff.
Oh, next table.
So we can do something in the corner so that you can arrange them.
See the kitchen?
Kitchen, everything's set, man.
Everything passing, man.
Baby.
Fuck up this, yeah?
One fridge in the kitchen because of the
Look at this shirt into mine. Interior decoration. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, I want to say, sign up to Xylophone Cash is very important. Because you have to sign up small, I see some small coins, and they see that small coins, you go do something. You understand? All my boys where they get talent, my boys where they dance, they use my video, they do things. If you say the comedian, if you say sign up to Xylophone Cash, you understand? It will help, you understand? Because if you get record label like this way, they do things like this. If you go where you gonna get that kind of feeling, you understand me? So basically, yeah, this part of my endorsement, you know, my record deal with Xylophone, and I think they've done a great work, and Ghanaians need to just appreciate, you know, and love this whole thing. I believe we are one people and we need to support our thing. You know, people should just stop, you know, saying things. This man, you know, if you do one, you know, if you do one. We need to do one. You understand me? Right, okay.
Yeah, I think you mentioned
It's nice. Beautiful house. Measurements. And I'm here 10 boss and I'm one, you know, 10 boss. What is the measurement of the place? Oh my god! That's my pool side, oh my god!
Yeah, so that's a cool area. That's a good area party.
I'm actually going to have a dancing competition with my boss, I'm one. Me and him will dance here, dancing competition. I'll win him. I know I'm a good dancer. My boss is a good dancer, but I know I'm a good dancer. Xylophone ship.
You will beware of dogs, so beware of dance.
If I just do and finish, when I get him up, you still have work for the beware of dogs, so beware of guns, licensed guns, like the Ghana police. Just pop at you. I know my fans, they love the video. How my fans doing? I dey imagine if I be Shatawale in fact, I would be happy, bro. If I be Shatawale in fact, I would be happy to watch. You know why? Because the guy, they work hard. He motivate the fans. Maybe say they show things, and people say be material things. We all go die leave everything for this one side. But you have to work for it. I get family, I get my kids, I get Majesty, I get Insura, I get Jedediah. You understand me? So I need to work hard. I need to buy houses. I need to buy my cars. I need to make my account fat. You know? Make my cool look good. And that's the life. My agents, those are my agents. For the whole history, if you want to buy a house. For the whole history, if you want to buy a house, that's the agent. They make I buy my first house. And they give me second house. When you say they give me second house, where they buy them for me, be number one they buy for me. Xylophone where they buy for me. Champion man. Starboy prepare to do I'm a vehicle. Hey, telling you me that miss some no one yes I'm a vehicle. Hey, bad man with it black. I'm a vehicle. Hey, listen if I saw you there. Common happiness. This is common happiness. See the way the water they flow.
inside the good bank, like, jump with the water inside. So as you can see, that's my agent, you know. The day is still on.
Sage Acquisition Properties.
Yeah,
we always try our possible best to give out genuine and good properties to our clients.
Yeah.
When you deal with Sage Properties, you will never go wrong.
Champion.
You can
my Facebook is like
you can testify from shutter
know
movement.
about your company.
This is not our first property. We are giving shutter movement.
That's the second property.
Yes, and we make sure everything is clean and intact.
Legit.
Because recommendations sells more than advertisement. That is what we believe in. So when you do Sage, you will never go wrong. That is the letter I can say. Thank you.
Yeah. So you can hear from my agents right now. Anybody that wants to acquire a property in this area, you know, if they've done it for me, they can do it for you. Just bring in some good money, and even if it's not enough to buy the property, they can help you do it. Yeah, man.
Give you good deal.
They're the best. But they're my commission.
Sage Properties.
But don't forget the commission.
The commission is very important.
I get
I want you to come to them and try the life. That will be
watch out for the open house party. Watch out for the open house party.
Well, watch out for the open house party,
Yeah.
man. It's gonna be crazy, but it's gonna be with some few people.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna be dancing with my boss, number one. Xylophone for life.
But people think this is just a hype thing. Trust me, it's real.
Yeah.
It's real, my brother.
They make it sound like hype. You know why people are saying like hype? Because Ghana artists, nobody ever do this thing.
Yeah. That's why they're confused.
And now we just a build a life, the bigger life.
Yeah.
We pray, I saw the thing gone.
Yeah.
Me not know why some boy live a fake life. Boy, we are both so.
Yeah.
Them pray for the fame, pray for the name, but no money in the pocket. Life now good. In them yen. Seems like Jah get him carrier shattered.